Hello student, good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine. Okay, today we are going to study our Flamingo book first poem, that is My Mother at 66. Students, this poem is going to come for this July unit test. So please listen it carefully and learn for the exam. Okay, My Mother at 66, written by Kamla Das. Student, I am going to brief about Kamla Das. Kamla Das was born in 1934 to 2009. She was born in Malabar, Kerala. She is recognized as one of the Indian foremost poets. Her work are known for their originality, versatility, and indigenous favor of the soil. Kamla Das has published many novels and short stories in English and her mother language, Malayalam, under the name of Madhvi Kutti. Some of her work in English includes the novel Alphabet of Lust and many more. Okay, and her Kamla Das mother was also an poet. Okay, students. See, student, moving ahead, I am going to read the poem and then we will explain. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday morning, I saw my mother beside me. Doors open, mouth for face, her face a sign like that of a cop, and realized with pain that she was as old as she looked, but soon put that thought away and at young trees looked out at young trees sprinting, the merry children spilling out of their homes. But after the airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan pale as her late winter moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear. But all I said was, "See you soon, Amma." All I did was smile and smile and smile. Okay, children? Sprinting means short, fast race running, and when yani colorless. Moving ahead with the poem, students. Now I am going to explain the poem to you. See, poet relation with her mother. Poet has a very in-depth relation with her mother, and she came to meet her mother to Cochin. Okay, and everyone, as her mother is becoming old day by day, so she was little bit worried about her mother. Now, when poet was going back to her job place, her mother also went to drop her to the airport. Now, while traveling to her mother to Cochin airport, with her mother to Cochin airport, she looks at her mother face closely and find it's like a crop. Crop means a deadly person. Her mother, she when she looked at her mother's face, her face was little bit wrinkles were there, and the pale means little bit yellowish face, and no charm, no beauty, and so she was little bit worried about her mother. Okay, she was very much worried about her mother. She undergoes pain when she feels that her mother has gone old. When she feels everything about her mother, she saw everything, look at her mother with this, so she felt very bad, and she feel that my mother is going old day by day. Experiencing the ache of separating from her. She is having pain in her heart. Okay, I am going to separate with from my mother because she has to go to some other place for work, and she is not very much 100% confirmed कि when I next time when I came back, can I see my mother again? She was in that tension as because she thought that her mother is going very old day by day, as her mother was going day by day old, and she was having this fear कि can I if I cannot see my mother face again. So that was her pain. Change her mood, and she was that while looking to her mother, she was in that pain, and this all pain about her mother and everything. But she all of a sudden she felt कि oh no, I don't want to think about this. So she want to change her mood, and for that she just look outside the window, and what she has seen, see, she saw young trees. So many trees are there running because her car is moving. So she can also see the trees are running. Children who are full of life. She saw children also who are full of life, energy, and happiness with their own life, with their own place. So she was now becoming little bit happy with that mood. And now what she has thinking, okay, a comparison is drawn between her mother lifeless face and the scene outside, which is full of life. Full of life means children and trees. Children are playing in the garden or in the playground. Trees are moving, the greenery is everything, and she is comparing with two different age group, young age group and the old age group. Okay, now look at her mother again at the airport when and they both reach to the airport, and she is now ready to check in. Okay, so again she looked at her mother with that, okay, if I cannot see her again, then in that type of tension she looked her mother. She looks like a weak. Her mother looks like very weak. In winter, moon whose light is overshadowed by fog, and in winter the light was very dim. Okay, overshadowed with moon. Okay, so it was like her mother is like face was like that. She was explain her mother with the winter season wrinkle. In winter we all experience that our skins become little bit loose. So she is also trying to explain her mother's physical situation with that. Okay, she overcomes with that tear. Now it's time to move, and she overcomes with the tear and sorrow. Okay, what is going to happen is happen, but now it's time. We have to be positive because we have to live in today, not in past or not in future. We have to live in present, so we have to be in a positive note. So she says to her mother that she would meet her very soon. She will come and meet her very soon with the smile and smile and smile. With that she only said कि will meet you soon, Amma, and she went in. Okay, so this was the explanation of the poem written by Kamala Das, My Mother at 66. Every children, mostly children, are very concerned with their parents' age. As they were becoming age, so they were little bit worried with their age. As Kamala Das is also a single child, so she was very much worried about her mother, and she was not stay with her. That pain was with her every time कि maybe next time when I come I cannot see my mother. And in this poem she explained the different stages of life. Okay, So with this we are going to conclude the poem here, and you have to write the keywords and the question answer. Okay, bye.